everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of my high protein breakfast series, where every Friday I upload a new high protein breakfast for you to start incorporating into your weekly meal plan. This one is absolutely delicious and it's freezer friendly, so I like to make up a big batch, throw them in the freezer, and then I have it to munch on for the rest of the week. So what we're making today are high protein pancakes. These are my absolute favorite. They are made with intentional ingredients that are going to go to work inside your body chemically to get you the weight loss results you're looking for. And if you've been trying to figure out a healthier snack for your kids, you might even get them to try these as well. So if that sounds good to you, let's go make them together.
On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos every week.
Okay, so if you guys have checked out any of my other videos, you know that all of my recipes are made with intentional ingredients that are going to get you the weight loss results you're looking for. So go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference. You can go to the store tonight and you can make these high protein, delicious pancakes this weekend. All right, guys, so now that you've made the commitment to yourself to start incorporating these high protein breakfasts into your weekly meal plan, I am so excited to make these high protein banana oat pancakes with you today. They are so delicious. They're going to add protein, fiber, and gut health components. So gather up all your ingredients. This is what your table should look like, and let's start putting them together. So first off, we're just going to start by putting our bananas in. We're going to get those all mashed up. Bananas are naturally sweet, so that adds the sweetness. It's not going to spike our blood sugar levels, but it gives us that sweet pancake flavor we love. Get those all mashed up. So next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to crack in our 2 eggs. This is going to help make it nice and fluffy. I love a fluffy pancake. So you have your 2 eggs cracked in there, and then I love to add the plain Greek yogurt. So we're going to add in half a cup of that. So great for digestion. This is great for your gut health. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that all mixed up. And once you have that all nice and creamy, we're going to go ahead and add in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We are going to add in 1 teaspoon of our baking powder and half a teaspoon of our ground cinnamon. Cinnamon helps aid in metabolic health. It's been known to help speed up your metabolism. So go ahead and add that in there. And we're going to continue to mix. And finally, we're going to add in our 1 cup of rolled oats. Again, this is great for the fiber. I love adding protein and fiber to my breakfast. I just feel like I'm covering all of my bases. And 2 tablespoons of the ground flaxseed, another great source of fiber, and your omega-3s. And we're going to continue to blend that up. So there you can see we have our batter all mixed up. Look at that consistency. We're going to head over to the stove and we're going to start to make them. I'm so excited for these. It's going to be such a nice high protein breakfast that's going to stick with me throughout the day. And the fiber is going to help with aid in my digestion. And the gut health components from the Greek yogurt is just an all-around fabulous breakfast. I really want to encourage you guys to start making up your own pancake batter. It is so much better than that store-bought stuff. All right, let's go see how they turn out. Okay, so now we're over here at the stove and we're going to go ahead and line our pan and let it heat up with some of the extra virgin olive oil spray. I love this one. You're not getting too much, but it's going to make it so that it coats the pan nice so that your pancakes don't stick. And also, while that pan's heating up, you did see in the ingredients that it was optional to put in the dark chocolate chips. Always look for a higher cocoa content. You can see here, this one is 72%. I just get this one at my local Aldi store, and that higher cocoa content is going to be healthier for you. So if you are adding in the chocolate chips, just make sure that you're doing a high cocoa content. All right, so let's go ahead and start cooking up these pancakes. I just like to use my 1/4 cup. It's a great measuring amount for the size pancakes that I like to enjoy. Obviously, if you want bigger pancakes, go ahead and add more. But I'll even double and triple this batch so that I'm able to freeze some. And then you can throw them at the kids as they're running out the door to sports. It's a pancake, so they think they're getting something so sweet and so yummy. Little do they know that it's got all these healthy components into it. And then we'll just wait. I like to wait until I see it bubbling on the one side, and then I'm going to flip it over. All right, and I don't know if I mentioned this, but go ahead and put your stove at a medium heat, anywhere between 4 and 6. Everybody knows their stove better, or knows their stove best to know what setting is going to give you the best turnout. You can see it's kind of a nice golden coloring on the outside. And it'll kind of start to raise a little bit at the ends, and you'll kind of know when to do the flip. This little guy's getting stuck in there, so we can just move him over. He'll kind of slide around the pan a little bit when it's ready to flip. And then just wait for it to cook on the other side. And then just continue that process until all of your batter is used up. These are so delicious. I hope this is inspiring you guys to try making your own pancake batter. I am telling you, it is so much healthier, so much better for you. And they are delicious. The creaminess of the banana in there. And we'll wait for those to be ready. Now for this batch, I'm actually going to go ahead and add in the dark chocolate. Once you have it laid down on the pan, go ahead and add in the dark chocolate chunks. Just poke them right in there. You can't do it wrong. But again, if you like a little bit of a sweeter pancake, the dark chocolate is going to add that sweet component, that extra kick. And then we just wait for that to cook up, and then we'll give them a flip. So again, your pancakes kind of let you know when they're ready to be flipped, because you kind of give them a little bit of a nudge. And if they move around a little bit on the pan and stay solidified, then that means they're ready to give a flip. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that heat down just a little bit. Let them finish cooking up on the other side, and we'll get these served up. Again, I hope this inspires you guys to make these pancakes. They're such a great breakfast. Do up a big batch of them, freeze them, and you'll be all set for meal prep for the week. So there you have it, guys. Another delicious high protein breakfast option for you to add into your weekly meal plan. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this one. I added just half a tablespoon of honey and some of my mixed nuts and seeds. And this is going to be such a great, healthy, high protein breakfast option for me to add into my weekly meal plan. I hope you saw how easy that was and that it inspires you to do the same. Let me know in the comments section down below what you guys thought of it. Subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to go enjoy this one, and I'm going to save these for my kids for after school. See you next time. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for your weight loss journey. Let me know how it's going for you in the comment section down below. Check out all of my videos at HealthyDaze. I just hope to motivate, inspire, and encourage you on your weight loss journey. If you know of anybody else looking for weight loss tips, go ahead and share my channel with them. And if you yourself are looking for more weight loss tips, be sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload. I'll see you next time.